I am. Yeah. Dito na tayo sa Kyoto, no? Kabababa lang natin ng tren. And may hinahanap tayong shop. Kimono shop siya. Kasi tayo ay magpi-picture taking. So, first time ko ngayon in 5 years. First time in 5 years kung matatry magsuot ng kimono. And the reason kung ba't kami magsusuot ng kimono is mag-prenup photo kami. Prenup photo shoot. Inasal kami noong January of this year, pero wala namang ganap, wala nangyari. So ayun, picture kami for the memories. Ayan, ang daming tao. Power set. Uy. Beautiful day despite COVID. Okay, don't try this at home, kids. Very dangerous. So holiday ngayon sa Japan, and madaming tao ang gusto magbakasyon like us. So madaming namamasyal ngayon. Anyways, nandito na tayo. Look, check it out. Vasara. Ito na yun. That's Cody. Hi.
Hi.
Bawal. Hindi pwede. Hindi nga pwede.
Hey there.
Ikaw naman, Amara. Okay, saan na tayo pupunta?
We're gonna cross over there.
Okay.
Let's go, bro.
Parking.
What time is it?
Anong oras na? 12 o'clock. Pumunta kami kanina 9:30. Tapos
Are you comfortable with those?
medyo madulas. Pero ayos lang. So yun nga, no, sobrang tagal. Ang dami din kasing tao. So sabi nila hanggang 5:30 lang daw nila i-accept isoli itong mga to. Kung lumagpas ng 5:30, may 5,000 yen penalty.
5,000? Oh my goodness.
So kailangan nating bumalik before 5:30 kasi madaming babalik
How cool
ng
that you had
5:30.
this.
Na?
Is it like additional?
No.
It was for free? You chose it.
I chose it.
Look at this, man. Look at this.
Oh yes.
I love that you have a kimono bag. I love it.
Yeah, I love it too. Thanks. So where are we going now?
We are going to Tully's to have lunch because I am starving.
Yeah, only her. Anyways, mamaya na lang ulit. Okay, bye-bye. Dito? Oh. Huh? May admission fee? Alright. So may admission fee pala. Nasaan tayo? Nasaan tayo? Okay, so paki-explain nga kung nasan tayo.
We are at Eikando.
Saan yan?
It's in Kyoto.
Ah. Tapos, ano to? May tissue. Plastic. Ah, kutsubukuro? Okay. Okay, para sa shoes. Oh. Wala namang social distancing. Wala na. Actually, pwede. Oh. Bawal pala. Sorry. Ah, dito ba? Okay. Pumunta kami dito para magpa-picture ng mga prenuptial photos. Kasi nga, wala nga kaming picture-picture nung kinasal kami ni Kaori. But, di ko lang bakit, pero parang exhibition yata yung napuntahan namin eh. Parang tour. No? No. No. No.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Fishing rod.
Fishing rod? Nandito si Sadako.
Yeah.
Hi! Hi tita, ito si tita, photographer namin for today. Thank you tita.
Ako model.
Ako alalay.
Yeah.
Hi!
Masakit yung ulo ko sa gutom. Hindi ka na, kumain na tayo. Woo!
Wala pa nga eh, kakabihis lang namin. And papunta kaming Nakaw para kumain. So, thoughts? on wearing kimono?
It was a great experience because I felt pretty. But it's a great way to feel like a Japanese, especially in Kyoto. Very Japanese. And wearing zori, the slippers, for how many hours? Like more than 4 hours, 5 hours I think. It was definitely an experience, but I wouldn't, well, once in a lifetime experience. Kasi yung last few minutes medyo masakit na yung dito. So ewan ko, tiis ganda yung mga iba. Tapos naisip ko, kahit na wala kang mga flowers dito sa hair mo, ganyan, push lang, you know? Kasi madaming fees. Plus 500,
Plus 500,
plus
plus
1,000, ganyan.
Isipin mo package na lahat eh, pero hindi talaga.
Pagdating mo doon, sabihin, oh, ito yung nasa package nyo, pero ito, may mas magaganda pang kimono. Pero plus 3,000, plus 3,000. Eh, syempre, hindi ka na mag-settle for pangit na kimono kasi minsan ka lang ganito.
Anyways, ito na. And nakauwi na tayo. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching till the end. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung content natin today, palike naman po and pa-share sa mga friends nyo. And kung may gusto kayong tanungin or suggestions or kahit ano man, kamusta kayo? Comment nyo naman kung kamusta kayo or kung may suggestions kayo. Or kahit ano lang. Yun lang. Thank you. Bye.